This is a new NAM1610 tuned unit from Nakamichi. It has steering wheel input, USB port and a microphone in the front of the radio. In the back we have box inputs for audio and video, backup camera, PreOut for sub and front and rear speakers, and you also can use the AUTOLINK app to stream from your phone, from iOS and Android phones. So as you can see, the radio is playing, and using the interface I can use the stock that I have here: volume up, volume down, track up or track down, or seek up and seek down. By the mode you can change on the different presets of the menu, and I have here, let me check here, the AUTOLINK app. As you can see, it's connected to my phone. I'm going to unlock my phone, and you can use it here. It's changing. On the Android radios you can use it directly from the radio. On the Apple phones you can only stream directly to the radio. I can also make some calls using the AUTOLINK app. I'm going to call my wife here. Hi Luisa.
Hi.
Hi, I'm trying the new Nakamichi head units, the NAM1610, explaining how it works for the calls. Are you listening to me? Is everything okay?
It's okay.
Are you feeling or experiencing any lag between the calls, between me speaking and you listening? Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. And I can also disconnect the call pressing here on the monitor, right here. If you have any doubt, just let me know.